Welcome you back again to another video lecture on C++ programming language, and in this video lecture we go ahead and look at for loop system in C++ programming. So in the previous lecture, we are able to look at while loop and we are able to execute a project, and we're going to repeat that same project using a for loop so you can be able to know the difference and how to use each of them. Okay, so it will help you a lot, because if I go ahead and show down another project, you might be like wondering how can I do that using using a for loop. Let's go ahead and say int x and place semicolon, and then we go ahead and say for x equal to 20, because it needs to start from 20, and then x less than or equal to 50. So you can stop at 50, then x increment, and go ahead and say put open and close brace, and we print out the results. So I'm going to say the result of x equal to x end line and press semicolon. Now, you see how simple that is? Very simple. Let's run the code and check it out. You guys see that? It starts, I'm going to draw this down. It starts from 20 to 50 using a for loop. Okay. So for loop system, just exactly the same result you get. When you use a while loop, you got exactly the same result with a for loop. You can see that they are all loop systems. Okay. Now you can also go and say why x is greater than or equal to 1. So while x is greater than or equal to 1, then x should decrement. Now, let's run this code and check it out again. Can you see that? I got exactly the same thing. The result of x is 20 and down to 1. Just exactly the same thing. So the loop system helps you to reoccur, let things reoccur as many times as possible without writing so much or so many bunch of code. Alright, I hope that it will be very interesting. Go ahead and put this down on your own system, play around with it and check it out. And in case you have any question, please go ahead and use the question and the answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.